Hey, Brian back. This is going to be the unboxing for your 25-1039. That's going to be the rear door, full metal jacket door for your JL. So stay tuned. We're going to unbox it, show everything you get in the kit, and we're excited to see you put them on. All right, so here we are. We're going to unbox the 25-1039, which is going to be your rear door, full metal jacket door for the JL. So clearly I got the top off. Have some stickers there. A little box of hardware in here. Another little box of hardware. So the first box is going to be your security bolts, and these little guys will be for your interior handle. Get to those in a little bit. And there's going to be your interior handles, left and right, with the nuts. So that's going to be your handle. So I'll show you how that goes real quick anyways in the unboxing. So we got our secure foam, obviously. Keep things nice. I'm going to get this. Everything comes really well packaged. So we make sure you get the nice doors in nice shape when they get to your house. Okay. So this is the JL rear. Meets the body line. It's going to come with OEM style hinges. You can adjust those. It's going to come with our removable logo that you can leave black or theme paint it. You have your exterior handle. You have a nice wide base, you know, for an armrest. It has the holes drilled for the soft uppers. You're going to have your cable driven latches. You're going to have your bump stops. It's for security for door rattle. That's your interior panel. There's going to be your interior handle to latch. This is going to be your limiting strap. And you're going to have another bumper down here to secure the door. And then this is some small storage. You know, makes the door a lot more functional. So these are all aluminum. Really nice piece of equipment. All cable driven. When you put the front doors on to match, these handles actually line up. You'll see a lot of other ones where the handle's up here and the other one's down there. It looks ridiculous. So we wanted to make it cool. So we took the time to make it really nice. Yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to use these, and I want to see some cool pictures, some wraps and some stuff. We have them in raw too, if that's something you want to do. But E-coat powder coat black is our standard black that we use. So everything matches. So there's your limiting strap already ready to go. There's your handle. You got the hardware in the box. It's basically going to sit right here. You just nut and bolt that guy on. And so yeah, that's the unbox. Obviously the rest of the box is another door. And yeah, there it is.